Hello and welcome to National Apprenticeship Week with Lynch. My name is Max Rossi, Marketing Manager here at Lynch Plant Hire in Holditch, and we have two very special guests here today. Tessa Lee Allen Ridge.
Hi, I'm Tess. I'm the National Recruitment Manager here.
We have Jez Bonner.
Hi, my name is Jez Bonner and I'm the National Training Manager at Lynch Plant Hire.
Today we are going to talk to you about the exciting opportunities we have for apprentices. So Tess, would you be able to tell us a little bit about these two apprenticeships that we have available?
That's no problem at all, Max. So we are looking for individuals who have a really good can-do attitude, who are looking to get into the industry. The two positions that we have available here are the plant operator apprenticeship and also our plant fitter apprenticeship.
Thank you very much, Tess. These both sound like fantastic roles for someone. Jez, could you tell us a little bit about what these two apprenticeships look like on a day-to-day?
For the plant operative side of the apprenticeship, we'll be on varied plants. So starting on the smaller plants, we're going to be looking at the roller and the dumper, possibly over the first couple of months going up to the ADT, which is the articulated dump truck. Rather than going to the National College for 3 months, now on the Trailblazer, it will be 3 weeks at one of our chosen training centres. In that 3 weeks, we're going to make sure you know all the site specifics, all the site rules. You'll be doing your CSCS and you'll know everything about that plant that we're going to be choosing for you. Mechanics, pre-starts, function checks and the operation skills that you're going to need to make you thrive on the fantastic projects that we have.
Jez, thank you very much for that. It sounds like a fantastic opportunity for someone. What does the plant fitter apprenticeship look like?
Yeah, so they're going to start at the basics, they're going to be at the college for about 3 weeks, learn everything you need to know about service. That's where they've got the choice of, at the end of the 2 years, whether they want to be mobile fitters or they want to work in-house in a workshop. Candidates will then have the choice of working outside our Southern or our Midlands depot.
Jez, can you tell us about balance between the practical and theory on an apprenticeship like this?
As I've said to a lot of guys and girls who are coming through and working for Lynch Plant Hire, gone are the days of just getting in the machine, start turning the key and off you go. We do have two parts of the process of learning how to operate. It doesn't matter if it's a roller, dumper, excavator. We do have a theory side and we do have a practical side. Basically the theory side is the main thing you want to get taken in. You want to learn the specifics of how the certain plant works before you go anywhere near it to operate it. Because as Max knows, that I say quite a lot, is first you need to understand what you're doing before you do, and that's what's great about all the theories. Once you've done the theory and you pass that, you've got that under your belt, you take all that knowledge from what you've learned there and you take that into the practical side of the tests and your training. And then you go in there, you go with your specific trainer who's going to take you through all the practicality of it, the pure safe operations of it, to keep you safe on the sites that you're going to be going on in your process.
So next up, we're going to hear from two of our apprentices.
So my name's Lottie, I'm a plant operative. Seemed like quite an exciting opportunity. So I was working in a timber merchants before, like taking out deliveries and orders and working in the shop. Quite lucky, especially being an apprentice, to be able to work through it all. Literally since the pandemic started, been at work, I haven't been out of work. So yeah, future plans are just kind of get a bit more experience in the digger, try and get out and about on that, because obviously that takes a lot more skill, which you can't compare to the dump truck. Especially if they're women or they're girls, like it can seem a bit daunting. Along the way you meet people, and especially being a woman, they kind of push you to go ahead and do it. They want you to do well. I mean, everybody I've met out on site, all they've got is like good things to say about seeing a woman behind the wheel or driving stuff, but no, I definitely say just go ahead and do it. Don't be so scared, just go out and do it.
So my name's Sid Barrow. I work for Lynch as an apprentice. Currently working on the HS2 project, currently working at West Ruislip Golf Course. I've been operating a high dreamer, helping 360s, take muck away, shingle, helping stockpiles. So I've worked on the railway for a few years before joining Lynch as an apprentice. I wanted the opportunity to work for a company where I could learn, develop my career. One, Lynch has good values and they also reward you for hard work and commitment. The reason I chose Lynch was because I heard only good things from the people that have worked there. My father also works for Lynch. I knew that this would be a huge privilege to work for. It's been an amazing opportunity for me. I've had so much support during the apprenticeship so far. I would only recommend it if you're committed to work hard and you're hungry for success. Your opportunity is there, but it's not easy. But it's also so rewarding. Just one last thing, I would recommend it also again for anyone that wants to apply. It's a great opportunity and I wouldn't turn it down.
If you would like to apply for one of these apprenticeship opportunities, you can head over to l-lynch.com, where you'll find an application page under the jobs section. All we need to know are a few details about you so that our recruitment team can get in contact.
So once your application comes in, someone from our recruitment team will give you a call to set up an appointment with myself or Jez to talk about the opportunities in more depth.
Thank you very much, Tess and Jez. Are there any parting words?
The best part of this is that you earn as you learn.
And thank you, Max. I just want to say one last thing before we go. We need the operators of today, but we also need the operators of the future. So if that is you, please get in touch.
If you would like to get in touch before making an application, that's absolutely fine. Our recruitment team is here to help. You'll find all of the contact details you need below.
We look forward to hearing from you.